Did you know your Shopify store could have accessibility issues that affect real customers without you even realizing it? Missing alt text, poor color contrast, and keyboard navigation. Issues can affect real customers every day. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run a complete accessibility audit using Accessify and understand exactly what needs improvement.
After opening Accessify, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your accessibility tools, page activity, and previous audit reports. Navigate to Audit Reports to view previous scans or start a completely new accessibility analysis. Click New Audit and enter the page you want to scan. You can check your home page, product pages, collections, or any specific URL. You can also choose which pages should be included in the analysis, giving you flexibility to audit the sections that matter most. Once everything is ready, start the scan. Accessify begins analyzing your page against common accessibility standards. After the scan completes, you'll receive a detailed accessibility report highlighting detected issues across your website. The Errors section highlights accessibility problems that should be addressed first, because they can directly impact visitors using assistive technologies. Color contrast checks help ensure your text remains readable for users with low vision. Warnings identify areas that may reduce accessibility depending on your content and design. Every issue includes recommendations to help you understand what needs improvement before making changes. You can export the report and use it as a checklist while improving your Shopify store.
Running accessibility audits regularly helps create a better experience for every customer while keeping your Shopify store aligned with accessibility best practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Shopify accessibility guides and Accessify tutorials.